calling Dr. Shep, calling Dr. Howard, calling Dr. Fine. They're not in the house. Last resort, call Dr. Bungo. This is what I'm dealing with. I did a dog walk, and I hate walking the dog along city streets. Some dirty bastard threw a submarine sandwich out the window. It was partially finished, and it was buried under the snow. And my dog dug that up, and I got it away from him. I threw it in one of the garbage cans because it was garbage night. And then a lid off a coffee cup or a dip sauce or something else that was in that bag went blowing by. And the dogs pulled and yanked at me. And I ended up getting the leash tangled in my feet and had my feet pulled out from under me. And fell on my elbow. Good thing I was wearing two sweatshirts. Sweatshirts and a winter jacket. And had my head well protected. And I'm making this improvised ice pack out of a plastic bag and a bucket of snow. Because I drove to Walgreens and they didn't have nothing to stop bleeding or no good cold packs. So I think I almost got the bleeding stopped. I used some cornstarch and this stuff here, liquid bandage. But I think it's going to need another coat. Let me see if I get some of that excess blood off it. I tested it for movement right away. No movement, but my arm felt warm, and I knew that was that warm, wet feeling is blood dripping down somewhere. I was only half a block from home and got home, and yeah, that's a pretty good divot, as they say in the golfing world. I'll put that paper towel on, or kind of like when you shave sometimes, and use that to bond the body glue here. And I'm too cheap to go to the emergency room or care for minor stuff. The only thing that concerns me is the swelling. I gotta find a bandage and put it on there loose, because the elbow is a bad place because that flexes. Got flexibility. And try to do stuff with, where your vision's kind of limited. It's tricky. Okay. Now I got to figure out how to wrap this, keep this ice pad on. Snow pad. Cheap bastard cold compress. Let me see here. If I jam this sweater on, stick this down in the armpit. Sometimes I amaze myself with the outside the box thinking. It should work. I'll put this ice pack filler on the back porch and catch some YouTubers that have some better videos than mine. God bless the YouTubers. Stay healthy. And that time I didn't keep the shiny side up. The shiny side hit the bottom and bounced. Happy New Year. I could chill some beer down in here, but it's already chilled.